Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Sims 4 Error Code 13. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when players try to save their game. Some users have reported that the error shows up when opening a new small business or after downloading a lot from the gallery and then trying to save. According to our research, this error is likely related to outdated or corrupted custom content, or modded content downloaded from the gallery. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close the game and then restart your device. After restarting, check if the game needs an update. If yes, update it, and then check if the error still comes. If the error still comes and you do not use mods, then try running a repair through the EA app. Simply open the EA app and select The Sims from Installed Games on the left, then click the Manage button. Then choose Repair. Once the repair is complete, start a new game and see if you get the same error when you try to save. If the error still persists and you downloaded modded content from the gallery, then bulldoze the lot completely. This may help clear the issue. After doing this, check if the error still comes. If the error still continues, then check your custom content. The issue may be caused by outdated or broken CC. So remove any questionable or old custom content and then check for the error again. If the error still doesn't resolve, then try using the Save As option and create a new save file, and see if this bypasses the error. At last, if the error still persists, try to start a new save without any CC. Then try saving the game again and see if this helps with the error. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.